Can you transfer money from your Afterpay to your Cash App account? Today, we will talk about if you can transfer money from your Afterpay to your Cash App account. Well, unfortunately, you won't be able to do it because Afterpay is actually, a website or a platform which allow you to buy products on installments, and it does not hold funds, which means the money that you see is not actually in your Afterpay account. You actually pay for your products that you buy at Afterpay from your bank account. Could be your Cash App, could be your bank account. If you have linked your Cash App with Afterpay, which means you're actually making payments from your Cash App. So, indirectly or in simple words, Afterpay does not hold funds. The funds that you see are from your bank account, so you won't be able to transfer money from Afterpay to anywhere. In order to transfer money, you have to make sure to check which bank account or which Cash App you have attached to. Just use that to transfer money. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.